What's up, everybody? Welcome to 31st Media. I am 31st Doogie, and as you can see by the thumbnail, I got a special one for you today. So today we will be cleaning the Sig Sauer P365. This is a cool little pocket rocket right here. It's 9mm. We just got it like a couple months ago or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure I show it to you. I think it's a nifty little gun. Perfect for concealed carry. You know what I mean, self-defense, and yeah, like definitely if you would like to get your lady one of these, this would be a nice little firearm for her. Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into the cleaning. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure it's clear. Now we know it's cleared, we want to make sure that it's disassembled properly. The way you disassemble it is kind of similar to the FN509, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that video out. So the way you do that is you will pull it back, and so you see it has like the lever that'll keep it in place. And then you got this tab right here. So you pull this down, and then now you can slide the head forward, pull the trigger, and it'll slide right off. So you see the first component that we have is the spring. And we got the barrel. We got the slide, and what I like about the slide is the night sight vision on it. See that green dot right there? Ooh, perfect for nighttime. Blow somebody's ass smooth off. And then we got our lower receiver, okay? And that consists of all the trigger mechanisms. You got your little rail if you want to put a flashlight or a laser right there. So yeah, so these are the components, the main components of the Sauer P365. What I will be cleaning with, I have a little snake. I got some Q-tips, some Hops gumboard cleaner, some Hops lubricating oil. I got some little square paper towels cut up, and also my little cleaning kit. It got brushes, little tools and knickknacks that you can use. So the first thing I like to do is clean the slide. So you want to put some of this lubricating oil on your paper towel, or whatever you're cleaning with, and just rub it like so. Just rub it like so. Get some of that dirt off. As you can see, there's dirt coming off already. So yeah, you want to make sure you clean it real good, get all the loose dirt off of it. If you need to, you can put some more lubricating oil or cleaner on your paper towel and just continue to wipe it off. Make sure you get in this little space right here. Also, if y'all got firearms and y'all want to go ahead and get in the cleaning with me, let me know. If y'all got different firearms from the Sig, let me know. Drop in the comments. You will get some on your hands, but don't worry about it. You can always rub that off at the end or as you go. So yeah, it looks pretty clean. Not too much dirt is coming off. So you just head to the next part. And I like to go with the spring, you can do however. So I do just like to wipe this off a little bit. And once you wipe that off, once you wipe this off, you can go ahead and get you some lubricating oil and just go back over it. You know what I mean? It is a spring, so you want to keep it somewhat lubricated so it continue to be flexible and do what it needs to do. Alright, so next we got the barrel. It's a nice little barrel too. As you can see, it got the engraving on it already. As you can see, there is a little dirt, a little rust right there, so we're gonna make sure we clean this off as well. Alright, the next thing that we're gonna do that's very important is we're gonna take the snake and we're gonna clean the inside of the barrel. So what I like to do is take a piece of paper towel or whatever cloth, fold it like so, and just feed it through, just like this. Just go snake it through. You can just go in there and look through your barrel, see if you see any debris or anything like that, and you can get that out. But she looks pretty clean. I like to get Q-tips. Just go in there and get some of this dirt out. I wonder how long this video is. Let's say 11 minutes or something. Shouldn't be too bad, huh? Should be. She's pretty clean. Take a little lubricating oil, just dump up here in this trigger mechanism. Not too much. And we can get ready for the reassembly. First thing you want to do, you want to put your barrel back in. Then you want to grab your spring. Slide it in this little groove. It should fit just like that. From here, you'll see these little grooves like this. Slide it back, boom. Lift this back up. Slide it forward. And you good. Make sure you do your functions check. You want to pull the trigger as you bring it back. And you slide it forward, let it go. If it makes that click, you're in the game, alright? So yeah, that's the end of this cleaning. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. Get ready for the next one.